In vehicle repair, trust is everything, and reviews are the first thing drivers check before they call. Drivers compare ratings fast and choose the shop they trust most, so the competitor with more fresh 5-star reviews wins, even if your work is better. The problem? Most shops lose reviews because they ask too late or forget to ask at all. America's Best Shops fixes this with AI review management built for repair shops. Right after pickup, AI automatically sends a review request while the experience is still fresh. More fresh reviews builds local trust and improves visibility in local search over time. AI also drafts professional replies to every review, positive or negative, so you stay consistent and responsive. If a low rating comes in, the system flags it immediately, so you can resolve it before it spreads. It spots patterns like wait times or communication gaps, so you improve operations and protect your reputation. Want more calls and book jobs? Build trust on autopilot with America's Best Shops.